Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. It's February and I got the February blues. Not the January, the February blues. And I needed some comfort food, so I decided to make up some tortellini Italian soup, and it came out absolutely incredible. So let me show you how to do this. Okie dokie, the first thing I'm going to do here, guys, is add about 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Then throw in 3 Italian sausages that I've chopped up. Now, these are the sweet Italian. I mean, you can use honey garlic or hot Italian, whatever you like. I just like the old sweet Italian sausage. And we'll just stir and fry these for about 4 or 5 minutes, again over medium-high heat, until they are cooked through and nicely browned. And we have a couple of recipes coming up that I think you're going to enjoy. Some cabbage roll casserole and some ground beef empanadas, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Alrighty then, after about 4 or 5 minutes we are nicely done, so I am just going to grab these up and set them aside on a plate. Next up, I've grabbed my pot, so I'm going to add in a good knob of butter. This is 2 or 3 tablespoons, something like that. This is unsalted butter. Again, over medium-high heat, we'll just kind of swirl this around and let it melt down. In with a chopped carrot, a couple of stalks of the old chopped celery, then a small chopped onion. So we'll just stir everything around in the butter for a few minutes until the veggies begin to soften. I have to say I can hardly wait until summer to get the old garden going, and oh boy, all this stuff will be fresh. After about 4 minutes, those veggies begun to tenderize, so now in with about 6 cups of vegetable broth. I suppose you could use beef broth too. Then a medium can of drained white beans. I suppose in a pinch you could use red kidney beans. About a tablespoon or 2 of the old Italian seasoning. Yes, I use this on everything. I just love it. It's got all your essential seasoning in it. It's like your essential vitamins. But anyways, a couple of teaspoons of ground black pepper. And a little bit of the old saltation. Not too much, just a little bit to bring out those flavors. Of course, give everything a stir around here. And we'll just go ahead and bring this to a boil. After a boil, you probably guessed it, back in with that Italian sausage and the juices that have accumulated on the plate. Then I'm going to throw in a couple of medium-sized chopped tomatoes, which is, about a cup. Then some rainbow tortellini, and I don't know, this is about 300 grams. It's a bunch anyway. Now, you don't have to use the rainbow tortellini. You can use any kind. I just saw it in the grocery store, and it looked kind of cool. Of course, once again, a stirring wheel will go, but isn't this starting to look good, my friends? And we're just going to cover this and let it simmer away over medium-low for about 10 minutes. After about 9 or 10 minutes, that tortellini is cooked through, and just look at this, guys. Isn't this looking incredible? And it smells absolutely, divine, I guess. Gotta get that smell-o-vision. And there you have it, my friends, our incredible tortellini Italian sausage soup. I mean, comfort food does not get any better than this. And you know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to garnish this up with a bit of Parmigiano, and this is fresh Parmesan. Oh, this is going to be good. And of course, some fresh parsley, and this is going to be even better once I get the garden going. It'll be totally fresh. And just check this out, guys. Our tortellini Italian sausage soup. Good. And guys, you slurp into this, not bite into it, slurp into it. It is absolutely phenomenal, beyond words, the ultimate comfort food. You simply have to make it. And if you do, drop us a comment, because I love reading them, and give us a like because it helps the channel out. And most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, my friends. Stay safe, and we will see you next time.